Right, it's a really nice late March day in Lancashire. I really just wanted to record the noise that the birds are making because they're clearly getting into spring and it's really, really nice. So I'll go quiet for a second. Unfortunately, I don't know how to work the zoom, but there is a woodpecker on that silver birch at the bottom, about halfway up the trunk. I don't know what that one is. I know most of the noise is the tree and house sparrows that are in that bush over there. Destroyed half of it the other day. I got rid of it. There wasn't any nests in there. Saw a little wren this morning. Polo mint's going mad, so we seem to have a gaggle of starlings that are hanging around. What I want to do is the tree next door. They cut off their branches, but I used to hang blue tip feeders from it. So it was quite high up, about there. And the blue tips, it was amazing to watch. So what I want to do is get a high feeder going on, because we used to get blue tits, blue tits, long-tailed tits, so coal tits, great tits, a big gaggle of tits anyway. Hope I don't end up on innuendo bingo with that one. Right, it's probably a bit boring just listening to me and looking at a garden where you can't actually see the birds because I don't know how to work the zoom. Well, it's not I don't know how to work it, it doesn't exist because it's rubbish. Got one of these new iPhone things and it's not the cleverest thing in the world. And that's not me being a techno nerd. Right. When we've got a bit of progress on the zoom, I'll do another one.